Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. I'm really excited about today's video because one of the number one questions that I get asked over social media is how I care for my nails. And today I'm going to be swatching for you guys all 18 shades of ESSIE's Treat, Love, and Color line. You all know I already love their one-step formula that they use in this line because it's really nourishing for your nails, which is extra important during these cold winter months. And I'm really excited to see that they kind of expanded on their original 3 shades that we have here in Canada. And this formula really locks in the moisture. It's really kind of like a first drink of water that your nails need to really replenish their health and nourish them. But they also enhance your nails with visually brightening pigments. So I am going to swatch for you guys all 18 shades, and if you're interested on how to give your nails that healthy glow, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so that is it for the brand new shades from the ESSIE Treat, Love, Color line. If you guys loved this video as much as I loved making it, if you do have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!